Checking your transaction history on EveryPlate is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your past orders and payments. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the EveryPlate website and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, look for your account icon or name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Select order history. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ESROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transactions. On the order history page, you will see a list of your previous transactions. You can click on each order to view more details, including dates and amounts. Step 5. Download or print your history optional. If you need a physical copy or a digital file of your transaction history, look for a download or print option on the page. Follow the prompts to save or print your information. Now you can easily keep track of your EveryPlate transactions. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support.